what's the next practical point after that?
Okay, we're turning around to take off on runway 15.
And Furnace Creek, Death Valley, where we are minus 200, what, 17 feet? 210 feet. In sea level. Okay, let's go. Furnace Creek traffic, TechNam Sierra 219 Tango Sierra, straight out departure leaving the pattern runway 15 Furnace Creek.